Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Georgette, again. What's up? So, guys, I just came in from the beach. I watched the sunset, and I had an amazing evening. How is it going out there for you guys? Are you guys ready for the holidays? I am ready. My most favorite season of all time. So, if you're new to me, please wait for the end to subscribe and smash that in once you've watched and gained some value, and leave a comment in the box below. I love interaction. I do comment, and YouTube likes to see interaction as well because they would love to show your videos to more people, but they got to see that you like it, yeah? So please like, please share, and leave a comment below. Subscribe at the end. So today, guys, I want to say thank you to COVID-19. As the year 2020 is coming to an end, I want to say thank you to COVID-19. You know, during COVID-19, this happened to me, and I want to share it with you guys. During the year 2020 of COVID-19, I became the greatest version of myself. I decided to make changes in my life during a rough time for a lot of persons, and in doing so, I have totally became a new person. And how did I do that? And so I just want to share a few things with you guys of how, when going through a tough time in life, how you can just choose to do something else and to shift from what's going on the outside of you. Because we know the saying goes that as within, so without. If you can choose to go within, guys, and to change your mindset, if you can choose to see something greater than what is seen on the TV, that's why you got to step away from the TV, guys. The TV, I didn't understand why I needed to stop watching so much TV until my mentor, Wesley Virgin, broke it down for me. You see, everything that you listen to, that you hear, programs the subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind is what you operate on most of the time, 97% of the time, or 99% of the time for some persons. That is the program mind that never sleeps. A part of the brain that never sleeps, because you perspire while you sleep. Your nails grow, your hair grow. You see, it is called the subconscious mind. That's a side of the brain. And every conversation that you engage in programs your subconscious mind. Every TV show you watch, every commercial you hear. And so during the year of 2020 COVID-19, I have truly changed my mindset, and I did so with my mentor. Now he's my mentor, Wesley Virgin. And I want to introduce Wesley Virgin to you guys. To all my family members that are watching, I have become a greater version of myself. And so as I've done that, and I'm continuing to do that, because for every person, it's a day-to-day progress. It's not something that you reach an accomplishment and you stop there. It's continually learning, continually reprogramming your mindset, continually getting rid of negative thoughts, continually staying away from negative people and conversation, continually staying away from the TV shows. It's progression, and that is each day of the choices that you make. And so Wesley Virgin has come out with a new program called the Genie Script. But then the Overnight Millionaire program is what I started with. And the Overnight Millionaire is like when you're a toddler in preschool or kindergarten. The Overnight Millionaire program is the kindergarten program. and the genie script is the upgrade to that. So I'm gonna leave two links for you: the Overnight Millionaire and the genie script. That's what I've used to reprogram my mind. That's what I've used to change the year 2020 for myself in thinking a different thought. You know, we see so many things going on the news, especially this year. And if you allow all of that to get into you, you will not progress. You will not be able to take your life into a different direction in the year 2021. You will stay in the same place. And I say to you guys, if your life is not going well for all of 2020 with what transpired with the coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you call it, I say to you, make a choice in your life to do something different. And to do something different, you have to invest in yourself. And so this is going to be real short. I just want to say to you, a free gift is in the link below. And I'm going to leave the Overnight Millionaire, and then I'm going to leave the Step Up program, which is the genie script. I'm going to leave both of them for you. And I'm just going to say thank you to the year 2020 of the COVID-19, because it has allowed me to become the greater version of myself. And I see so much more growth. Guys, if you haven't done anything new, if you stay stuck in the old, I say to you, try something new and get a different result. Yeah? It's your girl, Georgette, sending you a whole lot of love and light. Grab your free gift in the link below. Check out the two programs I'm going to leave. Just go through the program and see it without buying anything at first, and grab the free gift. And when you think if you like it, then you can go ahead and make the purchase. It's an investment in you. We all have to invest in ourselves. So guys, at this point, if you haven't subscribed, go right ahead and smash the subscribe, like, share, leave a comment for your girl. I'm always sending you a whole lot of love and light. Check out the videos that are popping up and keep watching. Take care. Mwah. Bye now.